Well, Hemang Jani as well is with us. Hemang, I want to discuss a couple of stocks with you from the cement pack. That's ACC and Ambuja Cements. Now, yesterday, Ambuja Cements, they put it on the exchanges, a presentation as they're meeting investors in Hong Kong as well as Singapore. And they're giving them the roadmap with the medium to around the long-term view. So in terms of capacity, they're committed to doubling capacity to around 140 million tons odd. But they've also given projections about how they expect the coming years to shape up. That's 2023, and they're saying that by 2028, they have a bit of a vision. Now, the capacity expansion will be both greenfield as well as brownfield, but they're saying most of it is likely to be organic in nature, and they're going to be spending close to 46,000 crores odd. Just pull up a quick couple of numbers. ROC, they've given the improvement out there. The EBITDA per ton from around 1,000 rupees, expecting it to go to around 1,400 rupees odd. And this is predominantly going to be led by synergy benefits with the parent company and 300 to 400 rupees EBITDA per ton improvement they're talking about in FY24 itself. The reasons they've stated out is, waste heat recovery system, higher renewable power, entering into long-term fly ash contracts and the likes. Basic thing is that they're looking to improve the EBITDA per ton by 300 to 400 rupees. We have a couple of brokerage reactions. Morgan Stanley, they're saying they've given some direction in terms of their path. But there's still plenty of uncertainty in terms of the expansion, and they need more clarity about this EBITDA per ton improvement. So it seems they're not convinced. JP Morgan, they're finding these assumptions too optimistic, and they had joined us last week, and Pinakin Parekh said that if there's going to be higher capacity addition by Ambuja Cements, it may not be very, very good news for the industry on the whole, because it'll put pressure on pricing as well as profitability. Hemang, well, that's what a couple of brokerages have to say, and that's the vision of Ambuja Cements. What's your view on the stock, both these two? Yesterday, this in fact came in market hours, but the stocks didn't react at all. Ambitious plans, or you think it's gettable?
So, Nigel, 2-3 things I would like to highlight here. One is that, yes, definitely the plans are looking, aggressive. Secondly, there is an impending block sale which has to happen, and it remains to be seen finally, the slight dilution that Adani Group is looking at, how it actually happens. Thirdly, we have seen, Nigel, that the raw material prices have corrected in the past 3 to 4 weeks. And whatever EBITDA per ton guidance that the management has given, I think in the context of the raw material prices cut is looking far more realistic. So we think that given that the capex is a very big theme, and there has been some sort of a consolidation and cost synergies that the company will be able to achieve, definitely it would be it would have some positive repercussions. But at this point, we prefer Ultratech and Dalmia Bharat compared to an Ambuja because of the kind of valuation and the overall growth potential that we see for those two companies.
Okay. I also wanted your thoughts on, there's a report, news report, which suggests that the cabinet is set to adopt a gas panel report this week itself. And this is, of course, for the gas price, APM gas price revision that happens every 6 months. But wanted your thoughts on how one should approach if they do have MGL or IGL in your portfolio. What would the impact be?
So, Sonia, I think, once this new guidelines are implemented, surely I think for the gas distributors, it would be positive, because we have seen a big sell-off in the, spot gas prices. And we think that though there may not be a significant margin improvement because they have also taken a corresponding price cut, but the volume, story is going to be intact. And within the gas utility space, what we prefer is Gujarat Gas and MGL. IGL is something that we find a bit more expensive. So I think a relative, preference would be towards the other two names.
All right, Hemang, stay with us. We'll take a very quick break here. But as we do that, let me quickly tell you what's lined up here in the next 30 minutes of trade. Anu joins in with a quick trade setup. We'll get you the top picks of the day with our technical and F&O experts. After that, the Momentumizer stock for today, will get you that. And at 9:10, Nimish will be here with a standout brokerage report of the day. So that's basically what you have coming up in terms of the lineup all the way leading up to market open.